Hello everybody, and welcome to my channel. We've got what's left over of my How to Kill a Kit with Style, which is more than I'd like, but life gets in the way sometimes, and that's what happens. It's okay. These are just all the stencils, so I'm going to put those away. I'm going to put them in my stencil stash instead of back with my swap stuff. I didn't use a ton of the letter stickers. I did use a decent amount of papers though. So this was a full 12 by 12. We used that up. Let's see. I didn't use any of the tags. I used a decent amount of these puffy stickers. This was full, so I'll keep those out. I used labels. I used a decent amount of labels. Okay, we're gonna stick those back in the package. Yeah, I only have 4 left on that one sheet, so that's not bad. Stick those back in the label stash. Got my Taya alphas. I used these alphas a little bit. We'll stick those back. Didn't use these a ton, but that's okay. That's okay. A yellow piece of paper from Art Walk. I used a decent amount of these up because I transferred them all to one sheet, I think. So I only have one side. I know I used a couple of these. I didn't use hardly any ephemera. I used some of these chipboard from Echo Park for October afternoon. I'll keep those on my desk to try to use up. Didn't use a ton of word stickers. We did, I think, get rid of almost one whole sheet of this one, which is a different set from this one. I combined sets. I don't remember. I used up a decent amount of those black puffies. Piece of black cardstock. Okay, so we got that. We used up all of these except for 2, so those will stay on my desk. I've got a rainbow left. We've got navy alphas left. Black alphas left. All right, let's alphas. I did all the circles except for that one. I've got just a few of the big ephemera pieces left from that Paige Evans collection, so that's going to go there. And just tons of small pieces of paper. I don't have a lot of big pieces of paper. I have three 12 by 12s, and then I think only these 3 A2s or A4 or whatever size this is that I didn't touch. So not too bad. Only one of these little flip down pockets I didn't use. Here's another stencil. I used most of the stencils. I used a decent amount of these dots. All right, let's get all the papers together. Sorry. Yeah, here's the 2 12 by 12 ones. So I didn't use this pink one and the solid pink color, and I didn't do this one. I have a plan for this one though. That I want to do with it. So I'm hoping I can get that done soon. So hopefully you'll see something there. And then I didn't have a plan for these, but I could use them. So I have 2 and my other goal. So, okay, let's get all the papers. So I got these 3 papers to use, plus a bunch of scraps. We'll kind of keep it out on the desk. Because I have a plan, so I might use a decent amount of it up. We'll see. And then a bunch of word stickers and alphas. We'll put those in the stash. We'll keep the titles out because I like to try to use the titles if I can. Word stickers we'll keep out. Yeah. Put this stuff back. All right, I'm rambling. All right, so we used a decent amount of stuff. It was a giant kit. I kept adding to it, so I don't feel bad by any means, but that's what's left over my kit. So a few 12 by 12, which is kind of disappointing. And then my other goal was to do all the 30 days of sketches. At this point, I've done all of them except for these 2. So I will definitely get those done for May. So now I've got a lovely empty thing, and I'll be showing you my kit afterward. And then other goals for May. We're going to continue to, finish those 30 days. I really want to try and finish my 2019 album and his school album. His school albums have mostly pocket pages left, a few full 12 by 12 pages. But I really want to get those finished up. Those 2, 2019 and school, because I went through the 2019 album and like narrowed down what I hadn't scrapped yet, what stories I wanted to tell yet, or just events, because let's face it, at this point I'm just scrapbooking. I don't have deep stories in some of them. And then we'll have Product Focus Friday stuff coming. Stash Smash Saturday is going to continue. Tuesdays in the Attic will continue. I've got Confessions of a Paper Addict, design team layouts for you. It's going to be International Scrapbooking Day next weekend. So I will be actually live in the Confessions of a Paper Addict Facebook group. So you have to go check that out there. I didn't get to play with Off the Board this month or Start to Sketch in April. So I'm hoping May I get to the new Simple Stories Saturday. Simple Stories Saturday started in April. That was fun. So look forward to that for May. Craft IQ should be starting today, the challenge. And yeah, I have a new series popping up Sundays mornings. So yeah, April goals. We did pretty good. We didn't finish, but we did pretty good. So I'm pretty proud of myself. I got things accomplished. That's the main goal. When most of it is crossed off, I feel good. Some of it got put up late, but so that's my goal for May though, is to try to not get things put up late. I'm going to try to make the time, find the time, arrange my life. Unfortunately, what sucks is I already know the first week of work is going to be chaotic. So we'll see what happens there. I do want to keep chipping away at the bins on my desk. So I think I'm going to focus more on those. I'm going to do How to Kill a Kit with Style. But then other layouts, I think if I'm not using the kit, I'm going to really try to focus on using some of that stash up. So, and I figured while I had you guys here, maybe we would do the product focus. I even put May goals, stay on task. I think we're going to draw the Product Focus Friday stuff right now, because I kind of like doing that here instead of the Product Focus Friday videos, because then they get really long. Not that this isn't getting long, but this was kind of anticipated to be long. All right, so let me grab all our bins. All right, let's draw the category first. We separate them. All right, our category that we're going to play with, if it's paper, I'm putting it back because we just did that. It is, okay. I'm not putting it back. I'll just take it out. What is it? Embellishments. Good, because I need to use stuff up. Okay. So we're going to focus on embellishments. And that is, I think, don't think I've done embellishments in a while. That is a decent, like, sized category. So that will be full of things to look for. All right, let's draw the embellishments. We've got 4 Fridays for May. Just separating them. Refolding the ones that are all cockeyed. All right. So we got 4. We've got, good, ephemera. Let's do these two. Alphas and thickers. Okay. Oh, alpha thickers specifically. Specifically alpha thickers. Acrylic. Good. This one. And puffies. Well, ironic, I have puffy stickers left over from my kit that need to get used. So that's probably what's going to happen. All right, let's see who or what collection or what part of my stash am I diving into and trying to use that I haven't. And we just did Pretty Little Studio, which was a lot of fun. All right. Designer collection. What are we gonna be focusing on? What's this one? What's this fat one? Felicity Jane. I have a lot of Felicity Jane, so that is good. I threw it away just because so we don't get repeats. Because once I'm done with this stack, my product focus Friday will probably change. But I mean, there's a lot. It'll be a year or so yet before we're done with that because there's a lot in here. So yeah, we're going to play with Felicity Jane, which is good. It's all in one box. So I'll just keep it by my desk, which is great. And put Felicity Jane right here. All right. So that is what I used up, in April. Like I said, I'm kind of disappointed, but also my kit got big and then I used it for 2 months and I didn't get a lot of time to scrapbook. So, but that's a decent amount. So we'll try and work on these thickers and stuff on a product focus Friday and the puffies on a product focus Friday and we'll be golden. So, I will be right back, here in a second to show you what my kit for May is. Stay tuned. All right, so now this is the portion where I'm going to show you my kit for May. So I am going to be working with the Numb Little Bug kit from Paper Issues. I just posted like a new like haul type check-in series called What's New in JQ Crafty's Corner. And so I kind of went through everything that's in this kit, but it's fun. It's very bright and very colorful. Basically, like, this is the color palette, which is super awesome. And these are Punch Out Sweet Life from Pretty Little Studio. They came in the kit. But Cassie always curates a really good kit. Not tons of embellishments, but there is a cut-apart sheet. But I'm not going to be using that, so I'm going to add some embellishments. You can see some things kind of everywhere. And it comes with this Paige Evans date stamp. So I'm going to try and use that this month as well. So I'm going to use my kit that I got from Paper Issues as my How to Kill a Kit style for May. I'm going to add in some things from my stash. So I'm going to add in these Simple Stories Spring Farmhouse flowers and these Keeping It Real flowers just to try to use up some flowers. I started using these a little bit last month and I kind of want to try and use them up. So Pink Paisley, Take Me Away. And they're just mirrored things. So there's like 4 hearts and like 3 titles. We'll see what we can do with that. I also have these ephemera pieces from, I believe this is an Amy Tan collection. They're just kind of a lot of similar colors and just fun things. And then this one also, or Dear Lizzie maybe, and this is Amy Tan. I don't remember, but similar, like just some fun colors, just some things, some ephemeras packs that are left over that I want to try to use. So I'm just adding those to it to have things and just to have more things, because why not? I also got in a recent haul, you'll also see in that video, these cardstock circle stickers. Love from Ellie Studio, these Love Note die cuts, a bunch of hearts and tabs and things. I think those from February. The January and February labels. I'm going to add those into my stash or into this kit. I'm probably also going to add in, because this is a lot of similar colors as well, the Good Times 6x8.5 paper pad by Ellie Studio. I've used some of it. but I want to keep using some of it, and these ice cream stickers, because I have a layout coming up and I plan on using them, and I figured with this kit it would work perfect. And then I'm just throwing in literally a bunch of other LE Studio stuff because I had some on my desk and I was looking through it, and a lot of the colors kind of go just to have. I don't plan on using any of these up. If I could use up these 4 labels, that would be good, just because I cut them off. So those, but I'm gonna have this stuff available if I want it. So some new label stickers, these awesome ledger, oh yeah, these Freckle Found Puffy Hearts, I'm gonna put those in the kit, and then these chipboard stickers as well. But I'm going to have the crafty stickers, a couple die cut sets. I think I got 2 kits just to have some extra bits of things. This is a huge kit, but this is more just to have on hand. So I probably will, this is my, if I need to grab for stuff, this is what I'm grabbing from. So it's not necessarily part of my kit, but it's going to be with it. Does that make sense? Is that cheating? I don't think so. But this is things from my stash that I know I want to try to use with it. So for sure these things are going in my kit. These are on standby and going to be available. Oh, we'll put that one in there for use if I need them. So there, that's fair. All right, so that's my kit, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this kit share and the kit follow-up from last month. And yeah, I can't wait to create with this. We'll see you next time. Bye. Oh, make sure you check out everybody else who is, if I haven't mentioned this, which I'm pretty sure I did, make sure you check everybody who is playing along with How to Kill a KO style this month. I think we have a big list this month, which is super fun. So go ahead, check it out. We'll see you.